How many stomachs do cows have? Cows have 4 stomach compartments. What color is octopus blood? Octopus blood is blue in color. Which farm animal doesn't have teeth on their upper jaw? Goat and sheep. Which bird can fly backwards? The bird that can fly backward is the hummingbird. Hummingbirds are known for their incredible flying abilities, including hovering in midair and flying backward. Which animal has 32 brains? Leech. What is the largest member of the cat family? The largest member of the cat family is the Siberian tiger, Panthera tigris altaica, also known as the Amur tiger. How many eyes does a caterpillar have? Caterpillars typically have a total of 12 eyes, known as ocelli. These eyes are simple eyes or photoreceptor organs that are different from the compound eyes found in adult insects. Ocelli are usually arranged in a triangular pattern on the caterpillar's head capsule. What is a male duck called? A male duck is called a drake. The term drake is used specifically to refer to an adult male duck, while the term duck can be used for both female ducks and young ducks. What is the color of a hippopotamus sweat? The color of a hippopotamus sweat is not actually red as it is often believed. The common myth that hippos sweat is red comes from the fact that hippos secrete a unique substance that appears pink or red. However, it is not sweat but a specialized oily substance called blood sweat or red sweat.